had the road grader push this guy off to the side. I was gonna cut some down anyways in the area here, but it was still green up top, this one. And she came down a couple feet in the bush there. And I wanted to take down the dead ones here, so it looks like it just sped up the process here for me. So yeah, we'll have our work cut out for us here in the next day or two. I want to use these up here either as runways, for skid runways for the mill, or see what I can do with them at the mill, run them through maybe, or use them in as a roof or a structure there as beams. So anyways, we'll catch turn her back on, and we'll tune you back in when we get to work here. Alright, well, we'll see if we can't get this guy out of the ditch here using the Honda 4-Trax 2-wheel drive power. So we'll give it a shot. Well, we got this one cloud here, putting an end to the evening here. Raindrop starting. Got the lumber, one board anyways. Well, we'll say a beam for now, and passive a board there from the ditch there. I'll pile it in with the footage here, and spent the early part of the afternoon adjusting alignment here, and changed out the blade. Huge difference. Followed the instructions. A little painstaking, frustrating there, but just, you know, go with what the instructions say, and got her aligned. So I'm gonna get the mill dusted off here and put away for the night, and hopefully tomorrow is another bright day and we don't see any of this.